If you need to update your website or you want to make a quick landing page, you can use Claude AI. So fast right now. I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. So this is my website that I fixed last fall, and it has sections. So you can see that the bricks move. I don't code, but I did come in and I created sections, and that's the traditional way of doing it. It takes time, and if you have too many lines here, it messes up things, and it's kind of a pain, pretty much. So I found a much better way that I want to show you. So for our SaaS tech startup that we built called Zaboom, I used Claude to create the whole website. So you'll see that it has a totally different feel than my website, different brand, and I have the voice AI widget here and different color scheme. So if I click into the insurance page, then you'll see that very similar. So all of these pages are created in one block of HTML in Claude. And they're very similar, they have the same style, and it's just so much easier. I need to add an FAQ section to this page now, and it'll be pretty easy because Claude will do the heavy lifting. So the project that we are going to just take a look at quickly is that my guy's Bill, he's published 2 books, but he has his website on GoDaddy, and he is the GoDaddy builder, and you can see it's it's such a pain for him to edit, and so he just doesn't go and do it. He doesn't update it. He did add his second book, but it's not easy. So I'm going to show you how in Claude you can easily do this yourself. So in Claude, I took a screenshot of that old website. You can also take screenshots of websites that you like that Claude will use as input. And I took a screenshot of his 2 new books, well, of his books, his book titles, so that Claude has that information. Then I use this prompt, and you can be really flexible around it. Let's create a modern web page in HTML. Bill is an author with 2 books. Here's his old site. He would like a website that highlights his 2 books in a theme and color and palette that is complementary, navy blue, etc., to go with his books. And so Claude says, sure, I'm going to do it. Now I'm Claude. I have a collaboration skill set up because I hate when it just goes off. It runs off and just does stuff and starts executing. It's a waste of my time. So I require it to ask me questions. So it asks me, what's the vibe you want for Bill's site? Let me surprise you. What's the #1 action visitors should take? Should I keep existing content from the old website? And I said, write fresh copy. Now, it's easier if you do your messaging and you have all those answers first, because it's a lift to go build this web page. It took about 5 minutes for Claude to build this web page, but this is what it built. So right here is the page. And so blind spots destroy leaders, confidence saves them. And here's this web page, and it's all in an HTML block. 1 block of code. I don't write code, and that's what it created. So what's really cool is that if we wanted to take this 2 books, 1 honest education, I can screenshot it, or I'm just copying and pasting. But it's that, please make this headline stronger. I click enter. It's going to go to work. And it's going to ask me, okay, which one is it? So 2 books, the CEO playbook, use number 5. It's working in real time. It's updating over here. You're going to see it. Oh, I see this. That's scrolling. That's kind of cool. So it's swirling, and it refreshes. And this is the exciting thing. This is my joy. 2 books, the CEO playbook, no one hands you on day 1. Done. And then you can click up here on copy, take this HTML block back to your website, whether it's WordPress, Go High Level, whatever site it is, site builder, and put that code in as a block. So some sites, though, don't allow that. They're constrained and they require you to make sections. So then you'll have to ask Claude to put it into sections in order to do that. But I think that they all have that code function. So if you want more help with this or are interested in doing more of it, check out down below in the description and I'll have a link.